Good morning, class 7. Today our topic is stratosphere. What is stratosphere? The second layer as we move away from upwards from the surface of the earth. Away upwards. As we move upwards, this is upwards from the surface of the earth, this is known as stratosphere. The top of the stratosphere occurs at 50 km, 32 miles altitude. The boundary between the stratosphere and Mesosphere is known as Stratopause. Ozone, which is abundant in this stratosphere, hits this layer and it absorbs the energy from the sun coming the ultraviolet ray. And the radiation that occurs due to this ultraviolet ray is being absorbed by this ozone layer that is present in this layer. Temperature rises with an upward movement through the stratosphere. Next is Mesosphere, is the layer after stratosphere and starts at 50 km above Earth's surface and goes up to 85 km high. In Mesosphere, with higher altitudes when going up, the temperature becomes colder. The Mesosphere has the coldest temperature in the atmosphere, dipping as low as minus 120 degrees Celsius. Most meteoroids. What is meteoroids? Meteoroids are stars which goes very fast, and in Hindi, normally people tell it shooting star. Meteoroids are found in this layer. You can see here the pictures are there. Next, from this we move to Thermosphere. This layer is directly above Mesosphere. It extends from about 90 km between 500 and 1000 km above Earth. Temperature slowly increases in the lower thermosphere. Here the temperature increases slowly and then begins to level up. That is altitude, 200 to 300 km altitude. Above this, exosphere. The exosphere is the uppermost layer where the atmosphere thin out and merges with interplanetary space. It is located directly above the thermosphere, and the space is known as thermosphere. This layer has very scattered gases. All the gases are not found here, and the gravitational pull of the earth here, the gravitational pull also become very minimal. Okay, next, apart from this, the sphere is ending there. Next will be greenhouse effect that we will do in the next class.